Let's learn a language. Another app, another review. Let's check it out. Don't miss out what's good and not so good about this app and my opinion, my honest opinion. Let's start. Let's sign up. After downloading the app, link in the description, no worries. Let's choose the language. Let's choose the level. What about your goals? How much time do you have to practice? When can you practice? What are your interests? Make your choices. By the way, how old are you? Now this is just a little tutorial, a sample exercise.
Hello.
The app shows you what to do. First you learn the word, then a few exercises with the word or expression. You have swipe exercises.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
You have matching exercises.
Thank you.
You have drag and drop exercises. And are very good to memorize the vocabulary.
City. City. Thank you.
It has a free plan, but not so generous. So how can you earn more credits and get access to premium? Send it to a friend. That's the answer. So you have lessons by topics. And you can choose a lesson. Now it's your turn to try it. Have a go at it. What's good about this app? According to people who use the app, bite-sized lessons, visual learning, gamified learning, wide language selection. It focuses on vocabulary and you have a very user-friendly interface. What's not so good about it? Well, you have limited grammar lessons. The lessons are short. You have a very restricted free version and no speaking practice. Also, some people find it repetitive and it's not for advanced users. So what's my honest opinion? Well, you have better ones. But I think the secret is, if you want to keep it free, you have to use several. And I have just a playlist for you. Check out my playlist, Educational AI. You have so many amazing tools with a more generous free tier you will love. So if you like the video, like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects and your learning. Thanks so much for being here. Bye bye for now.